these are the tips. We're gonna help create this because, you know, we get a lot of questions about manicures that y'all see, and this nail polish collection. So this non-polish collection I'm actually going to be using in today's look. And the base for this, I use Translucent, and I'm going to be picking up this design right here. Instead of using a black, I am actually using Kraken, and I am going to do my best to take off like these flowers, and you'll see why, because we're going to add them later just in a different color. I'm going to use Rosebud and Bluebell. How many of you are into reverse stamping? Let me know in the comments. Give me like a happy face. So there you go. So do any of you who have been doing reverse stamping and stuff, is there a tip that you could recommend that you think is like one of the most important or pretty up there for a new stamper? There you go. Make sure that it's coming in clear. Very, very pretty. So here, I'm gonna put on a layer of this sticky base coat. So let's go ahead and put our designs on. And there you go. And we're gonna come in with Marigold. And now I'm going to pick up some of the flowers that we took out and add them back into the design. And this is a coconut base. And now I'm going to use Rosebud, and I'm gonna pick up the flowers in this design. Right now, all I'm doing is taking off the leaves. So today, this is what we did. Are you guys liking the final look? Give me some hearts if you guys are so in love with this, and if this is something you're willing to try.